Most of us enjoy eating cake, and I'm no exception. One time, a colleague of mine brought a cake which she shared, and that cake was so delicious. So I asked her who made it, and she told me that her sister was a baker. Because I enjoyed the cake so much, I got in contact with her sister and ordered one for myself. When I went to pick it up at one point, the door to her home was open widely, and when I looked inside, the living space was messy. So by the time I got back home, I was so hesitant to eat the cake that I couldn't even enjoy it, much less offer some to anyone else. This was a whole cake that I was looking forward to, but because I saw inside of the house, which looked like it needed to be cleaned, that cake was never finished. For me, I like living in a clean home, and I'm turned off by a dirty living environment. Whether it's mine or someone else's, I just don't believe you can function optimally when you don't have a cleaning routine to maintain your living space, much less offer anyone food. And I think that you're not really practicing self-care if you take care of your body, but your daily living environment is either cluttered or it's dirty. So I'm sharing 7 simple tips to help you deep clean your home. Number 1, plan when you're going to clean. Now, you may have a spurt of energy and decide to pick up the duster or Clorox wipes, but many of us have busy schedules, and most people have to set aside some time to clean. So think about when is the best time for you to clean, whether it's a day in the week or you're going to clean over the weekend. And for women, you might choose to clean, especially when it comes to deep cleaning your home, when you're approaching ovulation or according to your cycle. Let me know in the comments if you want a video on managing your energy according to your cycle. So by planning out what day or days you're setting aside to clean, you're going to purposefully be blocking out time on your schedule, and so you'll be more inclined to follow through on it. Number 2, get supplies. Get the supplies that you'll need to clean properly. Buy the broom, get the wipes and sponges, get the pack of trash bags, the cleaning sprays, and the Windex so that as you're cleaning, you have everything that you need on hand. Number 3, prepare to let go of some items. Now, the benefit of deep cleaning your home is that you are not only making your living space cleaner, but you're also getting rid of items that you haven't used in years, as well as items that you don't consistently utilize. Throw out that dress that you wore 10 years ago and you know you will not be wearing again. Ask yourself if you really need the textbooks from high school or college. Look at items that you may be holding on to just because, as well as items that once held sentimental value, but maybe your feelings have changed about them. Clothing that you are no longer wearing, you can donate to others who would find value in the items right now. Old furniture and other items you can also donate, throw out, give away, or have a yard sale with. And with this step, when you get into the maintenance mode of cleaning, you'll find that your normal cleaning routine has become quicker and easier simply because you have less stuff. So decluttering your living space in the long run simplifies your life, and it also saves you cleaning time. Number 4, focus on one room at a time or one aspect of cleaning at a time. Sometimes you just can't do everything all in one swoop or in one day. So let's say you have a 3-bedroom family home, plus the other rooms such as your kitchen, your dining room, your living room, garage, and so on. It may take you 10 days if you're not setting aside an entire day to get things done. And this is fine because sometimes we just can't dedicate an entire stretch of hours to clean and have to do it in increments. So focus on one room at a time. You could also focus on something specific as you clean. For example, day 1, you might want to focus on sorting out your clothes and seeing what you still want to wear, what you can donate, what needs to be tossed out. And so that time is just for that. Day 2, you might decide to look at all your books, and other small items such as your kids' toys that you can donate to charity. Number 5 is don't exhaust yourself. Cleaning can be a pleasant experience because you know the end result, which is a cleaner living space. But at the same time, because it's physical work, you want to pace yourself as you are going about it and not exhaust yourself. So this might mean sometimes taking a few breaks to drink some water, making the task easier by having family members help you, and just making the experience go by faster by doing things like having music or a podcast playing in the background that you enjoy listening to. Number 6, start in the most important rooms. You can start in a commonly used room, the kitchen, which I think is an important space, or another important space, the bedroom. Now, I said the kitchen because that's where the food is, and so we want that space to be hygienic all the time, including our refrigerator. So open the fridge, take out the food in there, and wipe it out. Throw out all the food that is expiring or not being used because you know you're going to throw it out anyway. Wipe off the countertops and the appliances, clean your stove. Your kitchen is one of the most important rooms in your home. And once this is clean, you'll feel the momentum to continue cleaning other spaces. Cleaning your bedroom is also important because here's where you sleep and probably spend a lot of time overall. Number 7, use the appropriate cleaning items. You want to use the appropriate cleaning items when you're deep cleaning your home. So a damp cloth for dusty areas, which picks up the dirt while a duster more or less moves the dirt around. With a damp cloth, you can see the dust being cleared off. Shake out your rugs outside or over the balcony if you have one. Maybe inside the bathroom if you don't have a balcony, and get the built-up dust out. And vacuum the rooms that have carpet to eliminate allergens. So, to wrap it up, here are my tips to deep clean your home. Number 1, plan when you're going to clean. Number 2, get supplies. Number 3, prepare to let go of some items, also called decluttering. Number 4, focus on one room at a time or one aspect of cleaning at a time. Number 5, don't exhaust yourself. Number 6, start cleaning the most important rooms first. And number 7, use appropriate cleaning items. And at the end of this exercise, you'll notice that your home feels different, lighter. You yourself will be energized by the space. And now that you've deep cleaned your home, it'll be a lot easier to clean it in general moving forward. I hope this video has helped you and given you some cleaning motivation. Tell me in the comments which tip was your favorite. Like this video and hit the subscribe button.